This video explores Lean Six Sigma and its implementation. We will specifically focus on the core cycle of define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, or DMAIC. Welcome to Lean Six Sigma and implementation. We'll examine how to move this theory into practical application within the hospitality industry. Our agenda covers why Lean Six Sigma matters, common implementation challenges, the DMAIC framework, and practical exercises. We will also review case studies and discuss building a sustainable culture of improvement. Continuous improvement is a culture and a practice. Lean Six Sigma offers tools to cut waste and improve guest experiences. We will explore practical ways to launch and sustain Lean Six Sigma projects. The core framework is the DMAIC cycle. This involves 5 steps: define the problem, measure data, analyze root causes, improve by testing solutions, and control by standardizing results. Did you know that organizations applying Lean Six Sigma save on average 3 to 6% of revenue annually? In the restaurant industry, significant savings come from food waste reduction and labor optimization. Consider where you see the most waste or inefficiency in your daily work. Common implementation challenges include resistance to change, such as the fear of new processes, lack of understanding, and the sentiment, "we've always done it this way." Another challenge is the lack of data or measurement. Decisions based on instinct, not numbers, and the absence of tracking systems prevent identifying patterns or proving the impact of improvements. We often face the choice between a quick fix and sustainable improvement. Rushing to solutions without root cause analysis and improvements fading without proper controls are common pitfalls. Think about a past improvement effort in your workplace that did not stick and why you believe that happened. Now let's dive deeper into the DMAIC framework. The first step, define, means clarifying the project scope and problem statement. You must clearly outline what the project aims to solve and identify all relevant stakeholders. Next is measure. Collect baseline data to understand your starting point and quantify the problem. Identify key metrics, such as wait times or error rates, that will be tracked. The analyze phase involves using root cause tools like Fishbone and Pareto charts to uncover the real reasons behind the problem. Always test hypotheses with data to validate assumptions. The improve step involves piloting solutions on a small scale and measuring their impact. The control step requires standardizing the processes and training staff to sustain the results. Consider which step of DMAIC feels hardest for your team right now, whether it's define, measure, analyze, improve, or control. We recommend several interactive exercises. The first is a waste walk to identify different types of waste, such as motion, weighting, or defects in your workspace. Exercise 2 is ISAPOC mapping. Map the suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers for a simple process, like a guest check-in. Exercise 3 is the quick wins matrix. List improvement ideas and plot them on an impact versus effort grid to prioritize projects. Let's review a few case examples to see the DMAIC cycle in action. Case study 1. The front desk had long check-in wait times. DMAIC revealed ID scanning as a bottleneck. The new process reduced wait times by 30%. Case study 2. The kitchen experienced frequent food waste from over-prep. By introducing inventory tracking and prep targets, waste was reduced by 18%. Case study 3. Housekeeping had inconsistent room readiness. Creating a standard operating procedure with timing benchmarks resulted in 95% of rooms being ready on time. Case study 4. Banquets and events experienced setup errors. A new checklist with a sign-off process was created, which dropped setup errors to less than 2%. Which of these case studies feels closest to your team's daily reality and challenges? To build a sustainable culture of improvement, leaders must model problem-solving and provide resources. Engage employees by celebrating small wins. Use continuous feedback loops like daily huddles and visual boards. Consider how you could make continuous improvement a part of your daily routine. Remember, improvement sticks when it becomes a habit, not just a project. Our key takeaways are that Lean Six Sigma is systematic improvement. Implementation requires a culture change, not a one-time project. Start small and sustain results with controls. Your assignment is to identify one small process in your department, apply the DMAIC steps, and reflect on the lessons learned. For instance, consider implementing inventory automation and quality control optimization to see applied examples in action. This represents the power of systematic continuous improvement. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video provided valuable insights into Lean Six Sigma implementation. For more information, please visit our website.